Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shripad and we are reviewing Kia Sonet first generation 2021 model. Compact SUVs has become extremely popular in India and today we have this HTK petrol variant which has completed 50,000 km this month. Starting with the exterior design, even after few years, this Sonet still looks sporty and fresh on roads.
At the front, you get Kia's signature tiger nose grille, sharp headlamp setup, sporty bumper design. From the side profile, you get roof rails, stylish wheel covers, ORVM mounted indicators and a proper compact SUV stance. The ground clearance is practical for Indian roads, especially for city usage and rough patches. At the rear, tail lamp design still looks premium. Rear bumper gets sporty styling and overall rear profile feels modern.
Now stepping inside the cabin, this is one area where Kia really impressed buyers.
Even today, the interior of the Sonet feels premium for its segment. Satin silver inserts, stylish AC vent design, modern dashboard layout and good fit and finish. Now since this car has already completed 50,000 km, you can notice that the interior has held up quite well. There are no major panel gaps coming to the driver's side. Steering mounted controls are provided. Steering feels sporty to hold. Tilt adjustment is available and the seating position gives a proper SUV feel. The instrument cluster provides fuel efficiency information, trip details, distance to empty and other driving information. Visibility from the driver's seat is also very good. This variant gets a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, USB support and steering mounted controls. Even after years of usage, the touchscreen response on this particular model is still smooth and usable. Talking about practicality, AC cooling is excellent, rear AC vents are provided, storage spaces are practical, bottle holders and cup holders are useful for daily driving. The front seats are comfortable and supportive for daily as well as long distance driving. You get good cushioning, comfortable sitting posture, decent thigh support and good visibility. Coming to the rear seat experience, legroom is decent, knee room is acceptable. Rear AC vents improve comfort, sitting angle is comfortable. Boot space is practical enough for grocery bags, travel luggage, cabin bags and weekend trips. For a small family, the storage space is sufficient. Now, let's talk about the engine. This HTK petrol variant comes with a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. The engine is known for smooth refinement, silent operation, linear power delivery and easy drivability. Even after completing 50,000 km, this engine still feels refined and smooth in daily driving conditions. In city drivings, the steering feels light, clutch operation is smooth, gear shifts are easy and traffic driving feels stress-free. This makes the Sonet very beginner friendly. On highways, stability is decent, cruising comfort is good, overtaking requires downshifts and the engine feels relaxed at normal speeds. If you are expecting sporty performance, then turbo variants feel more powerful. But for normal daily driving, this petrol engine feels smooth and reliable. Talking about mileage, this particular car has been delivering approximately 12 to 14 km per liter in city driving, around 16 to 18 km per liter on highways. Again, mileage depends on driving style, traffic conditions, AC usage and maintenance. Ride quality is well balanced for Indian roads. The suspension handles potholes, speed breakers, rough patches quite comfortably. Even after 50,000 km, the suspension setup on this car still feels stable and confidence inspiring. In terms of safety, this variant gets dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking camera, seat belt reminder, high speed warning. The car feels stable and confidence inspiring for family usage.
So overall, after 50,000 kilometers, this 2021 Kia Sonet still feels balanced and practical compact SUV. So if you like this video, hit the follow button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.